Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
So the right hand side is basically finished for now. I'll start doing the left, which means the gear change, left foot peg, clutch cable, the bolts around, and then this should come off the same as what the other side did. So I'll take a photo, show that again. So I'll put that back on the same place. The gear selector lever, that was 10 mil. Magic disappearing bolt. And foot peg is 14 millimeters. I wonder if that's different to the right one. I'll have to make sure before I put it away. Okay, now the clutch cable needs to be loosened off. This is a 12 mil. And you might notice there's white powder. It's not corrosion, it's from polish. That gets in the nooks and crannies and hasn't been able to get wiped out properly, so I'll loosen those off and hopefully pull that down tight. If there's enough slack, I should be able to hook the cable out like that. Then loosen this end off, and I'm hoping it will all slide out through there. The instructions do say start at the handle, but I'm hoping I can. No, I don't know how that comes out, because that is trap. There must be a secret, because I thought the cable would slide out somewhere, but it's captive, and that one go through and that one won't go through. So how does it come out? Or does this piece slide through like that, and like that, and then like that? So I can get it out without disturbing the settings on the front handlebars. And put the rubber boot back on, and that can hang out the way. Now, nothing else appears on there, so I think it's time to loosen all these. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the book is correct for the side. There's 11. I'm not sure if there's oil in the side. I will bring you back shortly, and I've loosened them all off. Okay, there is some sticking out. There's one back here which I'll put this in and leave it, and it went pop and go loose. There's one down the bottom here as well. It is dripping a little bit of oil. Same thing, there's a seal around the gear change shaft. Seems to be stuck here. And then I can reinsert them just in case there is a difference. They all appear to be identical at the moment. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.